Today we are going to show you how to digitally cut and apply CAD-cut apparel substrate to a jersey. The custom apparel decoration market is growing fast, and a Roland Gx24 desktop cutter and heat press are all you need to get into this profitable business. You can add names and logos in flock, reflective, neon, glitter, and twill to team jerseys, caps, and gym bags. This low-cost, easy-to-learn decorating method can also be combined with other techniques such as embroidery for a beautiful custom look. To begin, let's make sure you have the right tools on hand. To create your designs, you will need a computer and a vector-based design program like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. To output your designs, you'll need a Roland Gx24, which comes with Cut Studio software. Cut Studio lets you enlarge, reduce, reposition, rotate, and mirror images. It also cuts true type fonts without outlining. You'll also need a standard heat press and decorating material in the right colors to match your design. We are using CAD-cut material today. The first thing you need to do is load the CAD-cut media into the Gx24 cutter. Next, we'll set up your Gx24. First, you need to lock down the pinch roller wheels. Then set the blade in the blade holder. You should adjust the blade extension to the thickness of a credit card when working with CAD-cut material. The Gx24 control panel is easy to navigate and offers a variety of setting options. For this application, we will first select Roll. Then set the blade force. For our CAD-cut material, we have it set at 110 grams. Now we'll create the graphic. To generate this file, we'll start by creating the text. When our text is finished, we'll convert the letters to outlines. We can now take this graphic into Cut Studio. First, we'll integrate or group all of the shapes that make up a single color. Then, we'll separate the different color layers to work with them individually. Next, you'll need to mirror the image. Then create a weed border. This is a box around the entire graphic. That's it! You're ready to send the file to the cutter. The Gx24 will cut the graphic just as you designed it. When the cutting process is finished, remove the material. For each layer, weed the excess material. Before transferring, iron your garment using the heat press. This will eliminate any wrinkles that might interfere with the quality of your finished product. Let the garment cool for a few seconds and then place the graphic on your garment. When you press the graphic, you can use the backing as a protective transfer sheet. Whenever you're using the heat press, two variables that may change are temperature and time. For these CAD-cut materials, set your heat press to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Close the press by clamping down onto the garment and press for 15 seconds. The heat and pressure of the press will bond the graphic to the garment permanently. You can peel off the backing sheet immediately. For each color layer on this graphic, we are simply going to repeat the same process. Your custom garment is now ready to sell and wear. Here's an example of your potential return on investment. Thanks for joining our workshop today. Remember, you can view our entire video workshop series and register for Roland University online at www.rolandga.com.